It starts with a call, a familiar voice, a sense of urgency that feels entirely real. But when the demand is immediate, such as a bail payment via QR code, the red flags should begin to appear. In the quiet of our homes, we are most vulnerable to these high-fidelity illusions. Behind every word is an attacker typing a narrative designed to exploit your trust. They study our history, our public presence, and the way we speak. This is the engine of the deception neural synthesis. It maps the mathematical soul of a human voice. To the AI, your identity is just a series of data points easily reconstructed. Our communication tools have changed, but our instinct to trust a voice remains unchanged. The internal logic of these attacks targets the way our brains process familiarity. When the voice sounds right, a system override occurs in our critical thinking. The attacker aims to bypass logic, replacing it with an emotional response that demands action. From a remote workstation, an adversary orchestrates a multi-layered identity breach. They hide in the digital fog, using your own voice as their master key. The strategy is clear: exploit personal relationships to bypass technical security and reach the bank account. Every social post and voice note is harvested to refine the vocal clone. An AI only needs a minimum sample to begin an impersonation that can deceive even experts. Once the voice is cloned, the traditional locks on our identity are effectively picked. The attacker fine-tunes the clone engine, aligning the AI's logic with your unique speech patterns. One file, one target. The software is ready to speak on your behalf. Observe the comparison. The pitch, accent, and style are identical. The machine now speaks of accidents and emergencies. Every word typed by the attacker is instantly translated into your synthetic voice. The most devastating attacks are those that strike the heart of our families. They mix emotion with artificial precision to create a reality that doesn't exist. The aftermath of a voice scam often leads to confusion and significant loss. They are professional, hidden, and always one step ahead of traditional authentication. In the enterprise, the moment a transfer is complete, the attacker vanishes into the shadows. Data flows, finances shift, and institutional trust is compromised. One voice, one moment of doubt, one total breach. To defend ourselves, we must change how we verify the world around us. It is time to protect our memories and our identity with a more resilient framework. The solution lies in the fusion of technology and human verification. We present the new protocol. Step 1 is simple: wait and verify. Use out-of-band channels to confirm any suspicious request. Establish analog pre-shared keys. A simple code word like pineapple can defeat the most advanced AI. Ground your verification in shared human experiences that an AI cannot scrape from the web. When we secure our identity, we are no longer just a data point. We are protected. The machine hits a wall when it encounters a truly verified human factor. If your secrets are offline, the attacker's search returns 0 results. We build a network of trust that is resistant to synthetic media. When the unknown number appears, the protocol remains firm. By identifying and reporting these attempts, we protect the entire community. Trust should never depend on a voice alone. Verify every request. Stay vigilant. Stay secure.